Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got a quick video for you today. I bought a couple of sheaths from Buck Knives and I thought I'd show them to you. These came in the same package as my 50th anniversary 112 Ranger, which I did a video on. But yeah, I thought I'd show these to you. They have sheaths available on their website. They have leather ones, they have nylon ones, and yeah, so my 112 or my 110 with a clip point that I bought off eBay came with a nylon sheath, which is okay, but I thought I'd buy a leather sheath for it. And my old Buck 501 Squire that's pre-1985 that has a script lettering. It didn't come with a sheath. And does this knife really need a sheath? No, it's small. But yeah, so I got online on their website and I found a sheath for the 501. And it's kind of like your standard black sheaths that you can get. Match up pretty good. Does have a silver snap on it. Same logo on it. This does not say 501 on the back, whereas this one says 112 and this one says 110. But basically the same. Got a heck of a snap. This sheath is made in Mexico, like the other black ones I just showed you. But yeah, I thought I'd get a little sheath for the 501 Squire. And fits in there, actually, pretty good. I haven't even tried it yet. So, yeah, they'll carry on a belt. It's pretty lightweight, it's small. It's a heck of a lot smaller than the 110 sheath. But yeah, so this was $12.99 on Buck's website. I'm sure you can find these at dealers and Amazon and stuff, but yeah, so that's that one. Keep my Squire right in that one. Now this one, when I saw it, I thought it was pretty cool. It's not black. It's the 110 Folding Hunter Distressed Leather Sheath. And yeah, it's more pliable than the black ones. More raw, I guess. But yeah, got a cool snaps, a little bit different. The black ones, let me get the 110. The black one that says Buck 3 times around it. This snap says Buck Knives, established 1902. It's got the logo up here, the same, embossed or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, the big difference, so you can see with these, just like the 501, the sheath is made in Mexico. Now, this one doesn't have a sticker inside, but on the back, it says proudly made in the USA. So that's awesome. I actually have one. I don't even know if I could find it now. This one with a 112 light back here. This sheath was made in China. So they get their sheaths from different places. I'm glad to see they're making, they at least got this one. It's made in USA. Down here it says 110. that's embossed or whatever you want to call it right in there, the flag, and probably made in USA. So I bought this basically to replace this one that came with this knife. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with it. It has its purpose. This one actually you can carry horizontal, so that's cool. But basically I bought it for this. And yeah, even with a thumb stud on it, makes a little hump right there. But yeah, I think that looks pretty good. I mean, they're all interchangeable. I'll swap them in and out, you know, if it depends if I want a black leather one, this distressed, more raw tan one, or the nylon one. You know, these are great if you're going to be crawling around, laying on the ground, working on the car, or, you know, a piece of machinery or something. I mean, these things are inexpensive. Tear it up, get a new one. I mean, these are not expensive either. But, you know, I'll try to keep the leather nice. Eventually it'll get scuffed up and dirty, especially this one. Yeah, so I think that's about it. This is the 110 drop point. See, no reason why it shouldn't fit. That fits great. This one fits that one. And yeah, guess that's about it. So I got a couple new sheaths. So yeah, well, this one was $12.99. This one was more expensive. The black ones were cheaper. I think $17.99 for the black ones. This one was $22.99. And I just looked for the price, and it says out of stock. So who knows? I might have got the last one again, because I think I got the last 112 drop point knife. Someone commented they went to buy one and it was out of stock. But yeah, this quick video, I thought I'd show you a couple of sheaths that I picked up from Buck. And you know, here's different models, right? So you got the full size black ones for the 110, 112, 501, leather sheath or nylon sheath for the 110. And there's the 112, and then this distressed leather one. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Can't think of anything else, so do the usual: like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And until the next video, bye.